Hey there! Welcome to Divination Racing Pit Crew Training. I'm Noah, your virtual trainer in the garage today. Ready to dive in and learn how real F1 pit crews work their magic? Here's how the wheel nut gun works. Take a look at this indicator. It tells you the status. Grab the gun with your right or left hand. To operate the gun, pull the trigger by pressing the trigger button of the controller under your index finger. Now, shall I show you how to lock the wheel nut gun with the wheel nut and loosen it? To lock the gun properly, keep it coaxial with the wheel nut. That means straight in line with wheel nut. Press the gun firmly against the nut, and the grooves are designed such a way that it will automatically lock into place. Okay, let's remove this tire and put it back. The front wheel usually weighs around 22 pounds, so it won't be hard to lift. Use the grab button under your middle finger to grab the tire assembly. Once it's detached from the hub, place it back and tighten the nut firmly.
I have a few questions about the tools and how the whole process works.
Sure. What doubts do you have? I'm here to help clarify anything for you.
How heavy is the F1 wheel gun used in pit stops?
The F1 wheel nut gun typically weighs around 4 to 6 pounds, making it lightweight enough for the pit crew to handle quickly during a tire change. This design allows for rapid operation without sacrificing control. Do you have more questions about the wheel gun or any other aspect of F1?
How are real pit stop wheel guns powered? Are they electric?
In real F1 pit stops, the wheel nut gun used is usually pneumatic. These guns are powered by compressed air, allowing them to deliver the high torque needed to quickly loosen and tighten wheel nuts. Some teams may also use electric guns, but pneumatic systems are more common due to their reliability and speed. Do you have any more questions about F1 technology?
No, I think I'm ready to try changing the tire myself.